The new MailerLite is here with smarter tools, a streamlined design, and major upgrades for your email marketing workflow. In this video, we'll show you how to migrate from Classic to the new MailerLite in just a few steps. This is going to give you access to all of our most advanced features, helping you move your subscribers, campaigns, automations, and other data from Classic to the new MailerLite. Keep in mind that when you migrate from Classic, you will still have access to your MailerLite Classic account. It's not going anywhere. Now with that said, let's get into it. Start in the MailerLite Classic dashboard and then click over to your profile icon in the top right to navigate over to the integrations page. Once there, under Developer API, click Use. Next, you're going to want to copy the API key because you're going to need this in a moment. This key is specifically needed to identify your Classic account so that the new MailerLite app will be able to match your data together. Next, click SSO. It's these 4 squares over here next to Plan and Billing. And then from here, click the new MailerLite or MailerLite new version. Then you'll click New Account and give your account a name. That'll take you to your new dashboard. You can see up here that we've got a prompt to migrate your account. When you click that, you'll see a pop-up where you can paste in the API key that you got from your Classic account. Then hit Confirm and Migrate. And then you're going to see a notification that says that MailerLite and MailerLite Classic are separate applications. And then if you have a paid plan in Classic, make sure that your subscription has been canceled in order to avoid extra charges. All right, for now we're going to close that window. And then you can see here all of the different options that we have for migration. So you can do one by one at a time and just migrate over every detail that you have from your Classic account to the new MailerLite account. So the first thing that you can migrate over are, of course, your account details. What you would do is hit Proceed, then you hit Start Migration, and you'll get a little notification over here that will say that your account details were migrated. Next up, subscribers. We're going to hit Proceed. Keep in mind that if you are on the free plan, that you can only migrate 1,000 subscribers, and then it'll tell you to upgrade if you want to transfer more. All right, and then when you're migrating your subscribers, you can migrate them as a list, up to 1,000 subscribers from the subscriber list, or you can choose specific groups that you'd like to migrate over. We're going to go with List, hit Start Migration, and then you'll get a migration progress bar. You also have the option to resync subscribers, and this is something that you'll need to do if you collect any new subscribers in Classic, since they are not brought over automatically. Then once complete, you'll get a notification that says that your subscriber list and groups have been updated. After migrating subscribers, then you have the option to migrate your files over, and these are going to be anything that's in your file manager. From there, hit Proceed, click Start Migration. Alrighty, and while that's going, I want to point out that you can also migrate your custom templates over from MailerLite Classic. To do that, same as before, we're going to hit Proceed, Start Migration. And notice that it says we have 0 templates imported. That's because in that demo account, we had 0 custom templates, but you can import your templates over from MailerLite Classic. You can also migrate your draft emails from Classic. We're going to hit Proceed, Start Migration, and you'll get a little note here that they are currently importing. Automations can also be migrated. Just hit Proceed, Start Migration. Then you can also migrate your forms. And you can see here that our automations have completed. We had 4 automations imported. So these are going to take some time to load, depending on how many files or forms or different elements that you are migrating over. You also have the option to migrate over your landing pages and web pages. You'd hit Proceed. And then there is a note that you will need to update your DNS settings manually in your domain's hosting provider. Click Start Migration when you want to begin. And because we had no landing pages, it will say that 0 landing pages were imported. And the same thing for web pages. And the same notification that we need to update the DNS settings manually in the domain's hosting provider once this migration has completed so that the website will function normally. Click Start Migration. Alrighty, and then same thing, that was our demo account. So we have 0 web pages imported, but you can import web pages over as well. Now, a side note for forms, you'll need to update the JavaScript or HTML code used to embed the forms on your website. That's going to make sure that any subscribers who use those forms will be added to your new MailerLite account rather than your MailerLite Classic account. To do this, we're going to go over to Forms in the new MailerLite account. You can see that we had 2 forms imported. All right, then you can tell that these 2 were just created. These are just demo forms that were migrated over. We're going to click on Overview, and then you're going to scroll down over to the JavaScript snippet. And then that's the snippet that you're going to update on the sites or landing pages where you have these forms, where you are using these forms currently. And that's a wrap! You're now upgraded to the new MailerLite and ready to explore all of its awesome features. Even if you signed up for a free account, you'll get a free trial that will let you try out all of the advanced features available. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing.